This, by the way, is all temporary here, the fuel tanks and the air compressor, until we get it sorted. On your turn now, my turn to ask questions.
Right, this is a Crossley engine, an OE128 line for this series, built in 1928. It used to be housed in a place called Criteria Standing in West Bromwich, where it's standing out parts of the car engine. That's around about the 1980s. It's been in our car park for over 20 years. So about 3 years ago we started to renovate it, split it all down, clean it all, manoeuvre it over here and put the building around it. One of the interesting things about this flywheel, this is a 13-ton flywheel. When you manufacture it, they put wedges in here and they crack it in half. It's a crack across there, right across there. Reason installation. So what we do is we trim the lower half in, put the crankshaft in, put the upper half in, and we drive these wedges in here, roll it back together again. Tighten up the small nut bolt in the middle, start to put it down, using this nut tighten spanner, and we put it together. So we've only just done this last week for the first time on these. Still have a few things to do, like net the governor up. The injector on it at the moment is not a smaller version, the OE120, OE120. So it's not been injected quite right yet, so it's struggling a little bit to start it up. But we have had it running.
Job done.
Okay.
Flats. Is that it?
That's it. Ready to go?
We're not finished, you know what? Come on.
I won't see the engine though, what I mean.
That's true.
Alright, you can.
No, you haven't told them about this.
Yes, it did. You weren't listening.
Yeah, he did. He said easy start.
Thank you. Carry on.
Right, who's doing what now?
That's good.
I'll just check, make sure the air's on. So-and-so.
Wasn't me.
No!
Happy?
Not really, but it's on.
Right, well here we go.
This is purely for us so we can see it running. You have to be a bit careful, this gets a bit volatile with these legs. It also puts you to sleep.
Carried away.
Come on, wake up. He's awake, kid. Come on. Come on, wake up. So every time this thing goes in here, that's when fuel's going to come on, make it. Away now. Right, I'm going.
Very good.
Seems to have a bit of a critical speed. Then when you look at 12 flywheel going round and round,